Hi, my name is Haley. I'm here with Wild Hand, and today I'm going to be showing you how I did this attached I-cord on the end of this swatch here. It's nice and squishy and neat and a lot easier than it looks. All you need is some double pointed needles and of course whatever yarn you're using. So let's get started. So to start off, I'm going to be working along the edge of the right side of my project. So this is the wrong side where the pearls are, and this will be the right side. Basically the side you want to see. I'll come to this corner and work along the edge, and we'll be building the I-cord as we go along. To start, I'm going to get my yarn and grab pretty much just enough to hold and do a long tail cast on. We're only going to do 3 stitches. So I'm going to cast on 3. You can see those 3 right there. And then I'm going to insert my needle where I want to start on my project, which is in the corner. So I'm going to insert my needle into the corner, and then I want the working yarn to be behind the project. So when I've got my yarn set up, I'm going to find the spot on the corner that I want to start. I'm going to insert my needle. I'm going to pick up 1 stitch. So now you can see I have 4 stitches on my needle, and I just slide those all the way to the other side of my needle, and then you're just going to knit. So the first 2 stitches you're going to knit as normal. There's 1, and there's the second one. And then those last 2 stitches you're going to knit together through the back loop. So see how my needles are set up right there? You're going to knit them together through the back loop. And then you can just drop that needle out of the way for a second. When you're back to 3 stitches on your needle, you're going to go over to your next row column, however you're picking up stitches, and pick up 1 more. So you're back to 4 and you'll slide your needle. So again, you're going to knit the first 2 stitches like that. And then these last 2 stitches you're going to knit together through the back loop. When you're back to 3 stitches on your needle, you'll go into the next column and pick up another stitch to bring you up to 4. And then you'll just slide, and you'll repeat that process all the way down the edge of your project. So I'm going to go ahead and work along this edge, and I'll come back. All right, so you can see here I now have a nice squishy I-cord going across the top of my project, and I'm coming up here on the end with my last 4 stitches. So to finish this off, I'm just going to bind off as usual. So I'll knit the first one. I'll knit the second one, pass the first one over, and then I will knit these 2 together through the back loop and pass the second one over. And then I just like to knit that because it's easier for me to get it through, but this is where you will cut your tail and pull this part tight to make your little knot on the end. So I'm going to pull that through, pull it tight, and there we have our I-cord. I-cords can always seem a bit intimidating when you first hear about them, but they're actually quite easy. It can be a little tedious to keep sliding your needle through, but the finished result is gorgeous, so well worth your time. If you have any questions, we'd love to answer them for you in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, and we will see you in the next video.